and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve the Beryl Cooper's puzzle box. This puzzle box was designed by Joseph Cowell. It has difficulty level 9 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the object of the puzzle box is obviously to open it and find the missing sign inside the barrel. This puzzle box is a 3D printed puzzle. It is a very well-made 3D printed puzzle. The quality is just top-notch. I don't think that I saw a better quality 3D printed puzzles. This puzzle has two colors, the black and this kind of a orange or light brown color. The black parts can be rotated. There is a small kind of a cork piece on top. If you take a close look right here, you will find there is another piece here which you can probably remove by using some kind of a tool. Since it is a sequential discovery puzzle box, that means that you can find some parts of the puzzle box that might help you to solve the puzzle box. This barrel has two compartments and you have to open both of them in order to find the missing sign. As you can hear, there is a lot going on inside the puzzle box, and you have to open it in order to find what is inside. There is a small stand comes with the puzzle. When you don't solve it, you can just put it on a stand and it will be just a very beautiful showpiece on your puzzle shelf. If you like the Beryl Cooper's puzzle box and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca, and if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve it. So first of all, we have to remove the stand. We don't need it to solve the puzzle. We will start solving with the cork. We have to remove it, and to remove it you have to put the puzzle box like this and give it a little bit of a smack and remove the cork. There is a metal pin right here which holds the cork, and when you hit it from the bottom, the pin goes out and you can easily remove the cork. Now we can use the cork. As you can see, it has this shape here to remove this screw probably. And that's what you can do, just unscrew it, and that's how you remove this piece, but you can't remove it all the way, you can remove it just a little bit. The next quite important step is to find that you can grab this piece, pull it out a little bit, and as you can see there is a spring inside and you can move it just a little bit and rotate it until you hear a click. Now do the same with the middle piece, but you're not going to hear the click. Just rotate this cutout where the cork was to this piece where there are like two small planks of the barrel. Now what you have to do is to put the screw all the way inside, and if it doesn't go all the way in, unscrew it. And here is a very important part. When it is unscrewed, pull it out and then screw it in again. I'll explain this part a little bit later when I will be able to remove the screw. And you will find that you can screw it in a little bit more than before. And at the same time, one of the sides of the barrel is removed. Now, if you remove the tool, flip the barrel, you will find that the screw was removed, and we found some kind of a paper which says keep looking, more puzzle awaits. So we have to keep looking since there is no missing sign here and we have to find it. A little bit more about the screw. If you take a closer look, you will find that, how to show it to you better, that the thread is a little bit different here. On this part there is only one thread, but on this part there are two threads and they start right here. If you follow the bottom thread, you will find that it will bring you to the dead end right here. Or maybe it was not the bottom, it was the top thread. But if you follow the bottom thread, when you pull the bolt all the way out, it goes all the way inside until you will be able to remove the bolt. That is a very important part in solving the puzzle. Now we have to find the second compartment, and it is pretty logical that the second compartment is going to be hidden right here. How to open it? If you grab this piece again, pull it out and rotate, you will find that now we don't see the cutout that was inside, that went all the way through the puzzle box like this. You can see on the other side. Now we can see a smaller cutout, and if we rotate the middle piece and align the cutouts, we will find that right there inside, probably you can't see it right now, but there is another piece that looks like this part of the of this door. And we have to probably push it to open this side, and we can push it with the bolt that we have. So I can just put it in this hole and push it really hard until the door will be opened, and we will be able to remove the missing sign that says solved, and also there is a small token inside. And now when the puzzle is solved, you can assemble everything back and put the sign. I'll show how to do it. So first of all, put this part back right here. Now we have to put the bolt back inside. For that we have to rotate both of these parts like this and like this, so that we can see the cutout right here. Now put the bolt inside with this cutout inside like this, and push it all the way to the other side like this. Next we can put the piece of paper back like this, put it inside the box, put the lid back. Now what we can do, we can align all these parts together so that the small planks will match like this. One goes here, another one goes here. Now we can put the screw all the way in, unlock this pin so that you can put the cork back inside, and now you can put the solved sign right here. Put your puzzle on a stand and the puzzle is solved completely. That was the solution of the Barrel Coopers puzzle box. Quite an interesting, a little bit complicated puzzle, especially the bolt part is just a genius trick with 2 threads that was not so easy to discover, and the whole puzzle is just an amazing and very good looking. If you like the Barrel Coopers puzzle box, or you want to try some other amazing puzzle boxes, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.